Did you know some animals have superpowers? Let's explore. Our first animal is the cheetah. It's the fastest land animal, running as fast as a car on the highway, up to 70 miles per hour. Imagine racing a cheetah. Next is the elephant, with a super long memory. They can remember places and other elephants for many years. Isn't that amazing? Did you know octopuses have 3 hearts? 2 pump blood to the gills, and 1 pumps blood to the rest of the body. That's right, 3 times the love. Bats are night superheroes. They use echolocation, like a built-in radar, to find food in total darkness. How cool is that? Lastly, penguins are fantastic swimmers. They can dive deep and hold their breath for up to 15 minutes. That's perfect for catching fish. Which animal fact did you like best? Comment below and don't forget to share with a friend.